We are hooking up a 2016 Mercedes CLK 240 using the factory stereo system. Alright, sometime if you got a small amp, you can literally run it right here on the bottom of this right here. This is come from the battery, but I don't recommend that. I would run the power wire. You see up there, there's a boot right there. You can just push through that boot right there to the battery. Once you push that through right there, you can run your power this way and come over right here. So that's a battery. Okay, I'm back at the trunk right now. Be the right rear. You'll see this spool of wire where the amp is at right there. I'm gonna cut this piece right there. Once I cut it, I'm gonna take a knife and run that right there. Alright, what I'm gonna do, here's a factory amplifier in the back trunk. It's on the right hand side. You're gonna hook up the red wire, which is a speaker wire. You're gonna hook it up to the blue, and then the black, which is ground, you're gonna hook it up to brown blue. That's brown blue. Okay, so and then you're gonna run it to the high-low converter, which is up there. I'm gonna show you. So what I'm doing right here, I'm gonna hook up, this is it's called Kiss Lock 2, which means it's got a remote turn on itself. So what I did, I hook up the blue wire to the remote, and then I got the ground wire to the ground, and then I got the white and gray is to the positive of the speaker wire that I ran from the battery. I mean, not battery, I'm sorry, from the amplifier. And then I got the gray black and white black from the amplifier I mentioned earlier about the speaker wire, the negative side. And then plug this RCA jack to the input of the amp, and then run power and ground and everything, and you're good to go. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.